Welcome to session 6 at control system 18EC43. So now in this session, so you'll see how to develop the transfer function or how to get the transfer function from the given state models. Okay, in the previous thing we have seen through the transfer function or through the state equations how to get the state transition matrix, that is STM. But here we need to derive or we need to get the transfer function from the state models. Okay, so now to do that, what is the step says? So we know that what are state equations. So the state equations and the output equations, they can be given as, the state equation can be given as x dot of t is equal to a into x of t and b into u of t, where x of t is nothing but the factor, that is the state variables. So how many state variables are there, like x12, x22, x2t, x3t, like that. Okay, and this is input u of t, and similarly the y of t is nothing but the output equation. Okay, and x dot of t is nothing but the state equation. Okay, so now we'll be having the state equation and we'll be having the output equation. Okay, so now to get the transfer function, first we need to take to get the final equation, we need to take the Laplace transform. Okay, so if you take the Laplace transform for the state equation, then it will be s into x of s minus x of 0, that is initial condition, then a into x of s, b into u of s. Okay, similarly for output equation we can give as y of s is equal to and c into x of s plus d into u of s. Okay, so now but if you take x of 0 is equal to 0, okay, if you take x of 0 is equal to 0 as initial condition as 0, then if we put x of 0 as 0 here, then it will be s into x of s minus, if the a into x of s, if it comes to the left hand side LHS, then it will be b into u of s, and the output equation is same because no x of 0 is there. Then okay, then it will be given as s I minus a into x of s into b of us, or x of s is equal to s I minus a inverse into b of s. Okay, then so whatever this x of s, okay, if we put in the output equation, then it will be y of s is equal to c into whatever x of s is there, that is will be replaced with x of s, that is s I minus a inverse into b into us plus d into us. Okay, then y of s divided by us, if you take us as a common, then y of s divided by u of s is equal to c into s I minus a inverse into b plus d. So the transfer function y of s divided by u of s will be given as c. So we know that already we know that s I minus a inverse is equal to adjacent of s I minus a divided by determinant of s I minus a, okay, into b and plus d. Okay, so this will be the final equation or the transfer function. To get the transfer function, okay, so we need to find out, that is same the pi of s what we have calculated in the previous session, that is adjacent s I minus a divided by determinant of s I minus a into c term, okay, and here into the b term plus d term. Okay, if you calculate these things, you will get the transfer function. So let us take one example here. So now here find the transfer function y of s divided by u of s. Okay, find the transfer y of s divided by u of s for the given state model. So how we will give the state model? State model will be given with respect to the state function and the output function. So here we have a is nothing but this matrix, and b is 3 5 matrix, c is 1 1 and d is 0 here. Okay, so we know all a b c and d. Okay, so we know that equation transfer function is equal to the y of s divided by u of s into c into adjacent of s I minus a divided by determinant of s I minus a into b plus d c into. Okay, so now first we need to calculate s I minus a, s into, as it is 2 into 2 is to 2 matrix. This is identity matrix. So multiplied with that is A matrix, sorry, minus A matrix, and if you do the subtraction, then you will get S minus of minus 2, S plus 2, and 0 minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus 3, and this is S into 0 0, so this is minus 4, and this is S minus 2, okay, S minus A. So now how to calculate, again already we have seen, so adjacent of S minus A will be given as cofactor of the S minus A. How to find out the cofactor of, this is a cofactor C11, C12, C21, C22. How to find out? That is, the formula is Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j and minor of first term, this one, okay. So here we know Si minus A is this term, S plus 2, 3, minus 4, S minus 2, and here the minor of first term is, so minus 1, 1 plus 1 is square, okay. If you leave, how to find out the minor term? So if you want to find out minor term for this, you leave this 2, what is the remaining thing? S minus 2. So the S minus 2 is a first cofactor of the first place. C12 is minus 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3, and the cofactor for that is C12. Where is the place here? C12 is this term. So if you leave this term, this will be minus 4, okay. So minus 4, and similarly the cofactor at C21 can be given as 3, and this is S plus 2, okay. And now if you multiply minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1, the same thing. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, the minus 1 into minus 4, it will be 4, and here again here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, this will be minus 3, and this will be even, so this will be S plus 2, okay. If we replace these if we replace these 4 terms as C11, C12, C21, C22, and this will be cofactors. If we take a transpose of that, then it will be S minus 2, and S minus 2 minus 3 will be first term, 4 S plus 2 will be the second term, okay. So there are two methods how to find out the adjacent. So one for cofactors, one is just into, we call as okay, so we call as in 2 is to 2, just we need to exchange and change the sign, okay. And the best method what we can do is, it is very simple. So apply minus 1 raised to whatever I term, j term you add, and minor. How to find the minor? If you want to find it C11, just leave this horizontal and this one, take the C22 term, and if you want to C12 term, leave these two, choose this one, so that you multiply with this term. So like this we can find out the cofactors, okay. Like this we need to find out the cofactors, then the transpose of that, okay. So now once we find out Si minus A, adjacent of Si minus A, then we need to find out determinant of the Si minus A, that is S1 S plus 2 into S plus 2, S minus 2 into minus of 3 into minus 4, that will be S square plus 8. So we know that D term is 0. So the transfer function can be given by C into adjacent of Si minus A divided by the determinant of Si minus A into B plus D, okay. So multiply with 1 1, okay, and multiply with 3 5, D term is 0, okay. First we are multiplying with 1 1, so that will remain with only the one term here, one row, and this will be multiplied with 3 5, and finally you will get 8s plus 1 divided by s square plus 8, okay. So this one is a session how to get the transfer function from the given state model, that is through state equation and the output equation. So in the earlier sessions, the two sessions, so we have not given how to find out, means cofactor, the step was there, so directly we had written. So here we have the clear how to find out the cofactor. So it is very easy. If you want to cofactor for this, leave this, choose the this term, okay. And if you want to cofactor for this one, leave this to choose this one, okay. So like this, find out the cofactors and directly transpose it. No sign, everything will come here, okay, sign taking, so no confusion here. So directly we can find out the cofactors, okay. And this is for the 2:2. Similarly for 3:3, so we will find it later, okay. So this is how we need to find out the transfer function from the given state equation and the output equation.